of this kind of stuff at SJC, they do with contact adhesives. And I was thinking about it, and I was like, man, that would be way easier and way faster. But especially on marching drums, it kind of makes me nervous. You know what I mean? It's like wood glue for a ply is just a way more reliable bond, I think. Or maybe I just suck with contact adhesive. That's a distinct possibility. It's been a while. 2 weeks ago we went on a shop reorg tear. Didn't film it. Last weekend was, well, 4th of July. And, you know, the plague. Today we worked on some sanding back of hoops and shells. I spared you. Wet sanded and buffed this one. Bill started veneering 5 sets of hoops, 5 total, 3 different customers. I'm taking apart 2 rope drums made by another builder who has passed. I think Bill got these on trade.
Yeah.
We've decided we're going to clean them up, try to flip them so they're not just sitting here. Bill's working on a set of hoops.
Yep.
Maybe take a quick spin around the new shop. We're also gonna possibly make some marking gauges, possibly film a shop tour, but it's already 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
We'll take the zip. A few more customer projects came in. They don't quite fit on the shelf, but archive was cleaned up. I culled the lumber, restacked it. This clutter area I decluttered. All the cases went to the mezzanine. These are being picked up at some point. They're donations. This area is all nice and clean. Here's the big win. Office was cleaned up. These are some returns that got to go out. But the cart that was sitting there for 18 months, gone. Shelving unit for brass instruments, in. Desks, relatively clear. Pretty amazing. And then we swapped tools in the shop. Bill got this huge surface plate. I took apart the layout table so we could put the welder and Sir Chomps a lot over in this pocket. Nothing's changed here. Lathes got swapped. So polishing shopsmith over here so that we could get the south bend with the rest of the metal tooling. And then on the docket will be Bill Sr. rewiring up the 3-phase at some point.
Yeah, it's got a smaller single-phase motor in it right now. It was just kind of an in the meantime thing, but now that it's back on this wall where we actually have 3-phase power, we can put the original motor back in and get it wired up.
Other projects, smaller box needs to be cleaned up. A little sand back, a little sprucey spruce for PASIC.
Yeah, a couple real minor repairs, but
waiting on a part to get this guy out. Anyone in the market for a Harbor Freight air compressor, hit us up. She's for sale. necessary. The snare bits were a mess and not even aligned.
Yeah, completely in the wrong spot. And he even gave himself little marks that he then ignored. Like,
Poor fella.
yeah, what are you gonna do?